the last person to ask about what an EV is like to live with is somebody who doesn't live with an EV.
99% of the people who switch to an EV are not going back to a gas car anymore.
I would never have a gas car as an everyday car again. I'd have one as a fun summer car and what have you, but as an everyday car, never. I joined a startup business that was a renewable energy business, and I decided that I probably couldn't drive to work in a big V8 F-150.
For me, it was like mostly the efficiency, like charging at home. Mostly it was the convenience of being able to charge at home.
For what we needed at the time, it was the right size and range. The range was the big thing.
The range anxiety was pretty much gone after like a week or two, to be honest. Like always look the range, like the kilometers left, and like just constantly look at it. But after a week or two, it was gone. It was just like I switched to percent. I didn't even really worry about it.
Then infrastructure got better. Specifically this car, now it has a NACS plug.
As a real kind of petrol head, was I gonna adopt this?
She was a little hesitant. She was worried about it. And I thought, in my mind, I always thought of it, it's just a car. It's just a different way of propulsion. Make sure the car's plugged in at night and use the app and preheat the vehicle before you leave in the morning. So the key thing is the temperature.
We have a charger at home. We have a 50-kilometer commute daily. But even when during the weekends we take day trips, it's usually fine. We get home with kind of 30%.
Yep.
It's really just taking the plunge and realizing they're just the same as every other car out there. We've spent, $200 in 1 year just charging at home.
I did a brake service where you like just clean the brakes, and there's still, the pads are basically brand new still. The regenerative braking is.
No, I'm not going back to a gas car.
I'm not going back.
Okay.
Talk to other people with EVs. That's the best source, and do some research for sure. That would help. That's what I did, at least.